Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more time. Yeah, so check it out, y'all. I'm in the trade on USD JPY. Made an entry here. Also made an entry once it kind of moved up above these wicks here. But as you can see, it went higher. I could have caught another entry, but at this point, I needed some rest. So I ended up just waiting it out and letting these trades here take place. Market broke down here. Another entry set up right here once it came up and retested right here. Another entry right there. And now currently the market is moving down to the downside. Expected to take out this 109.57. And also expecting it to take out this low as well at 109.48. Everything's rolling pretty good. Let's take a look at it. What I'm doing here. The market was doing here. Downside movement. So I was expecting some more fall, some downside movement to the downside, and to go down and take out this low and continue more. Hopefully, this market continue to move to the downside, take out these lower levels as well. Take out this lower level as well at 109.11. Maybe anticipating taking out the lowest low, which is over here. 108.72. So yeah, that's a lot of pips that need to happen. We're talking about over 100 pips here. Take out this low over here and continue the downside fall. We'll see if it continues to fall and maybe start be a fall similar to this one. That was a very nice fall. That was over 100 pip fall as well. But in this trade, guys, it's going well right now. Alex Jenkins checking out, guys.